Aloha! This is our first lecture of the week. In this lecture, I will quickly introduce you to User-Centered Design, or UCD principles. As the title suggests, the approach that mobile designers take is designing with the user in mind. It may seem intuitive and easy, but there's a lot of thought that goes into designing a product that is elegant, easy, useful, and more importantly, an app that users can't live without. Because screen-based experiences have infiltrated our lives, it is becoming increasingly important to build mobile products that are based solely around the user's needs. In order to do so, you need to first understand the needs of your users, understand where and when they will use your mobile product, and is this a useful product? Is it more useful than what's already out there? And if so, what makes it so unique? There are many mobile products that you already use that design with the UCD approach. Facebook makes it easy and entertaining for you to view statuses and post your own. Instagram makes it easy for you to share your life one picture at a time, all while coming with zero instructions. In addition to understanding the user's needs and then meeting those needs via design, you will also have to learn how to work with a client and document the design process as well. In this course, we will learn how to use the UCD approach within the mobile design process. Furthermore, you will learn strategies to get the goals of your client, or your goals if you are designing for yourself. You will learn how to communicate your design to others since mobile app development requires working on teams. You will learn strategies towards figuring out who your users are and understanding them. You will learn how to manage a mobile design project and expected deliverables.
That's it for our introduction to user-centered design. As we move forward in the class, we will be putting these ideas into practice. Have a great week and aloha.